Oscillate. The word oscillate is a verb that means to move or swing back and forth like a pendulum or a vibrating object. It can also refer to fluctuating or wavering between two choices or opinions. Here are some examples to illustrate the usage of oscillate. 1. The fan in my room oscillates from side to side, creating a cool breeze. In this example, oscillates describes the movement of the fan as it swings from one side to the other. 2. The pendulum of a clock oscillates with precise regularity. Here, oscillates is used to describe the swinging motion of the pendulum as it moves back and forth. 3. Sarah's emotions oscillate between happiness and sadness. In this sentence, oscillate is used metaphorically to describe how Sarah's emotions fluctuate or alternate between happiness and sadness. 4. The stock market has been oscillating between gains and losses. This example uses oscillating to describe the back and forth movement of stock prices, indicating that they are constantly changing between increasing and decreasing values. 5. The politician's stance on the issue oscillated throughout the campaign. Here, oscillated implies that the politician's opinion or position on the issue kept shifting or wavering during the campaign. Overall, oscillate is a versatile word that can be used to describe physical movement as well as figurative changes or fluctuations.